Only God really knows my heart. Seen all my struggles pull me out the dark. Still, I know that's better way. Better way. Been in this game for so damn long. Pockets feel slim and these streets are wrong. But still, there's better way. Better way.
Tell you about Kobe, a cold little soldier. 19 years old and his problem wasn't Doja. Mama was a pimp that never found closure. Decisions get hard when them streets turn colder. Steady on his shoulders, his little sister's fate. Thinking about his life and the one he had to take. Strapped with a weapon, mama's 38. Cocked it back, black his heart, closed his eyes. Boom. Never did she know, and little did she see, the reason that he killed them was to pay his sister's fees. Cause cancer was the killer, and killers never flee. Turn his soul hard body so a spirit doesn't leave.
Only God really knows my heart. Seen all my struggles pull me out the dark. Still, I know that's better way. Better way. Been in this game for so damn long. Pockets feel slim and these streets are wrong. But still there's better way. Better way.
A kid to a father, sister to a daughter. Everything on him, so college he never bothered. Never seen himself graduating or singing Harvard. Money was the sea in the streets, that was his harbor. Sold his first brick, he paid for leukemia. Sold 20 more leukemia plus a beamer though. Showing to his sister a life she never seen before. Now he got a beamer, some jewelry, but still no miracle. Living out a Martin, what you would call a dream. Started out with nothing, now he mustered everything. Gorillas in his jungle when they watch him while he hang. Walked his sister to the house, grabbed his keys and then her bang, 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 bang. Grabbing for his keys, then he heard bang, 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 bang. Grabbing for his keys, and then he heard bang.